right guys, motor toys. So we're back. We just did a couple of pulls with the Q50 3.0 turbo. I think a couple of 20 rolls, 40 rolls, and I think there was a dig in there. 3S, so that's half power. Got the GPS on board, so in fact let me pull that out and we'll see what we topped out at here during these runs. So again, half power. This is a 6S car, 72. So I got the weight of the GoPro and everything like that, the GPS on there, so that's pretty good on half power. 109 mile an hour car on 6S. Really good race for the Q50 on half power on these batteries. So stay tuned guys, we're gonna get some more of these in. Motor Toys, we're out here.